This is a beautiful kitchen in Tiburon done by the interior designer, Michelle Squire. This is her information. I really like working with Michelle. She's a consummate pro. She designed the hood assembly hanging off the ceiling here. That's a flush Zephyr fan. Notice the waterfall feature on the countertop. Beautiful lines and lighting. There's uplighting up in that top assembly as well. Notice the lit top assembly in these cabinets. There's a glass floating shelf, beautiful tile that accentuates the countertops. That's a prep sink there, where you for prepping for in front of the stove. Excellent design feature. Obviously under counter lights everywhere. Notice that island. Those are pop-up plugs in there that have USB ports and chargers, and big, beautiful island. Quite comfortable. And you can see that full countertop backsplash on the other side instead of tile on the left, and countertop material on the right. And then obviously the view out in front of the main sink is of the bay, another sink there. So it's a very functional kitchen. These are Henrybuilt cabinets, by the way. Not a huge fan of Henrybuilt for the price. They're very expensive, but they are really, really well made cabinets. But they're expensive. We also did an outdoor kitchen for the clients. Notice the tiles. This is why you hire designers. Michelle sourced these tiles. I think they really kind of pop for this area. Same countertop material as outside as inside. Very convenient. Now, this whole job started because years ago we did the powder room for the client, and again Michelle was the designer, and she designed that wallpaper in the back, and everything lines up. Just a really comfortable powder room right off of the entry that is just cool features. Just everything. Notice the hot and cold down below in brass, and the brass on the vanity and the top. It all works. That's why you hire designers, to make that all flow. So if you want to see a good team, me and Michelle can make an excellent team to get work done, and for you too can have a custom designed kitchen.